Welcome. How to upload video on your Facebook page. Are you ready to captivate your audience with a compelling video on your Facebook page? Whether it's for your business, brand, or simply sharing your passion, I will guide you through the quick and easy steps to upload your video and make it shine on your Facebook page timeline. Stay tuned for ultimate video upload tutorial. First of all, click on Facebook application. Make sure you are logged in and also make sure that you are using the updated version of Facebook application. Now click on these three horizontal lines. Now make sure that you are logged in to your Facebook page. For this you have to, now I am on my profile. For now I have to move to my professional Facebook page. This is my Facebook page that I am going to upload. First I have to switch to my Facebook page. Now this is my page. First of all, I will click on status player. What's in your mind? Click here. Now you can see that here photo oblique video option is there. I will click on it, and now it's asking to choose a video that I want to upload. Suppose I want to upload this video. I will click on it. Okay, now here say something about this video. I have double tap it, I have to back. Okay, say something about this video. For example, let's give it a title, peace. Okay, now here you can see the edit. I can edit it. If I want to add text or other relevant information, I can use this icon. For now I am just clicking on next, and it's asking who can comment, scheduling option, and collaborator. I am ignoring this, just I am posting it. Click on post and wait. Here you can see that it's asking to that it is posting. Click, check here, check here. You can see the yellow bar, sorry, you can see the blue bar that it is uploading. So wait for it till it's complete. Its circle is about to complete. It means it is about to complete its uploading. Wait for a few seconds and finishing. Wait for it. The time may vary according to the length of your video.